Hello, welcome to a good tutorial channel. You want to make an animated greeting video without a high-end computer or are tired of learning video editing programs. In this video, I will show you how to make an animated Ramadan greeting video only just PowerPoint. All animated and transitions are already on PowerPoint, and you just need to combine them. As simple as that. I am Tuto from A Good Tutorial. Let's start. First, you must make a blank presentation and choose a blank layout. You can see the video for the step to create a blank layout. Then right-click on the slide and choose the format background. In Fill, choose Gradient Fill and Fill Color. After filling the background color, let's insert a shape. Insert a rounded corners rectangle shape and triangle shape like tutorial video. Right-click on the shape and click Edit Point to edit the point of the shape. While holding Alt, click on 3 shapes, then go to the Shape Format tab. On Insert Shape Group, select Merger Shapes and select Union to join all shapes. Now, we need to put color into the shape. Click on Shape. On the Format Shape tab, select No Fill for Fill Color, and choose Gradient Line. Change the gradient line color and width like the video. Then copy the shape one time and resize the shape. Editing point of the shape to make it propositional. You can also add some shadows by clicking the shape. Go to Shape Format tab, and select the shape effect in the Shape Styles group. Go to Format Shape and select Shadow to edit shadow. Add some text and elements to the slide. Edit the first slide like the video. Add 3D models by clicking on the Insert tab. Go to the Illustration group. Click on 3D models and select this device. Reposition and resize 3D models like tutorial video. Now to animate this slide, we need to add some animation to the element in the first slide. Click on 3D models. Go to the Animation tab, and on the Animation group, select Turntable Animation. Click on the Animation pane to open the Animation pane tab. Now we need to edit the animation to make it nice and looping. See and follow step by step on the tutorial video. To copy animation, click on 3D model, then click Animation Painter. Then click on the 3D model that you want to paste the animation. Now we go to the second slide. Resizing and repositioning 3D models like video tutorial. Add Morph Transition to the second slide by going to Transition tabs and selecting Morph Transition. Insert an image to the second slide by going to the Insert tab, selecting Pictures, and selecting this device. Follow the step in the video tutorial carefully. After finishing editing the second slide, duplicate the second slide. Now, this is time to export our presentation file into an MP4 video file. Go to the File tab. On the Export menu, click Create a Video. You can choose video quality and how long seconds are spent on each slide. Click on Create Video to export video, select Destination for Save Export Video and click Save, and Done. You can also download the presentation file and link on the description video. After many elements we give in the presentation, the most important thing is that you have to experiment with yourself to determine a better presentation. Maybe you will find a way to make a better presentation than in this video tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am Tuto, and see you in the next video.